Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is specially created for Oppo Reno 15 users. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix torch not working problem in a very simple way so you can use flashlight without any confusion. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and turn to the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin the video.